Hey guys, look at the state of me. Today I'm doing my Glossybox and my monthly tea club. It's called a tea bag now. My name's Fawn, this is my channel and it's a happy place and a busy place at the moment. I do unboxings and I do reviews, I do try-ons, I do hauls, all sorts of bits and pieces. So if you like that kind of thing, please do give me a thumbs up, click subscribe and leave me a comment. As you can see, I'm covered in paint. My hands are not too bad now, I've just been scrubbing them. Please get down, but I've been painting all day. And I've just come down from the bedroom and I think I've actually finished decorating. It's now time to start putting it back together. I'm going to do that tomorrow and I'm probably going to video it and see what you think of all the different bits and pieces that I've done. But I'm tired. I'm so tired. I'm sweaty. I had makeup on this morning, believe it or not, and I've got my Glossybox. So I thought, let's have a treat. So here it is, as usual, pink lush. Let's see what's in it. Oh, it is pretty. Look how it looks inside. Isn't that pretty? And it says pretty pleasures, beauty treats. And then, yes, it's got a list inside of everything I've got with prices, which I like. So let's get into it. First is something by a company called Figs and Rouge. Figs and Rouge, what an unusual name. I like it though. Satin Soft Blurring Primer and Finishing Fix Ultra Prime. I love that name actually, Figs and Rouge. Isn't that a fun one? What does it say in the booklet? Now it says it's worth £38. Ooh. Designed to blur and minimise shine, this wonder-working primer will keep your skin fresh and flawless. It won't keep my skin fresh and flawless when I'm decorating because I keep going. Unique pore minimising and anti-blemishing properties. Skin impurities and breakouts are also reduced. It has hyaluronic acid in it, which seems to be in everything, which perfectly plumps and maintains moisture, as well as marshmallow root and Arctic cloudberry extracts, which keep skin energised. Arctic cloudberry. Never heard of it. Sounds fascinating. I'll definitely give that a go. I've never found a primer that works for me yet. I'm far too greasy a person. I'm far too likely to touch my face. I mean, I probably look shocking. I haven't looked in the mirror. I've just jumped on to do this. But I will definitely give that a go. And I like to see that it's a silicone-free formula. So it might work better for me. Next up, is a nails ink. There's a lot of nail things going around at the moment. A nails ink in this sort of, well, they call it Palace Gardens. What would I call that? It's somewhere between a grey with a touch of green. I don't know. It's a nice colour though. Be your incredible self with Nails Ink London. Super glossy, long-lasting, intense colour will look perfectly pretty on your nails. This polish also has a new expertly designed brush which is exclusive to Nails Ink. I'm going to have to open it up in a minute. And this ensures your polish is applied easily and will always create a flawless finish. It's £11. Yeah, it's somewhere between a grey and with like a touch of green. Let's see this new brush. It looks like any other brush. I don't understand. They need to fill in something to tell dopes like me what is special about that brush. But I like the colour. I think it'll work on me. You know what's lovely? Now I've finished decorating that room, I can have a few days of false nails. Won't that be nice? I'll be all before I start on the next one. Next is a nourishing mascara. It's by a company called Botanique. Volumizing mascara enriched with almond oil and camellia oil. Okay, I am willing to bet this is going to go everywhere on me. This is £15.50. Intensely voluming. It's the paint fumes. Intensely volumizing This nourishing mascara thickens, lengthens and adds curl for bigger, fuller looking lashes, rich in conditioning ingredients including camellia and almond oil. This mascara also works to strengthen and maximise the length of your lashes. The oversized brush is designed to grip and coat each and every lash from root to tip. I'll probably give it a go, but I tend to have to wear tubing mascara. Sorry, I had to bob off and let the dog out. Anyway, as I was saying, everyone can see that my eyelashes disappear in the folds of my eyelids. So it's highly unlikely that this will work for me, but it may be fabulous. My eldest daughter has eyes similar to mine. She has to wear tubing, but my younger daughter has her father's eyes very open. So she'd probably be able to use this. I will try it, but I think once I've got it all up around here, I'll be like, and I'll give it to her. Next is a complexion sponge or a beauty blender or whatever you want to call them. This one is £6 in value. It's by So Eco. Have we had one of these before? I don't know. But it's, you know, it's a beauty blender. What is special about it? It's ultra soft, flake resistant, long lasting. It's got a pointed tip, ideal for concealer and smaller areas. And it also does its bit for the environment because for every 100 of these it plants a tree. So yeah, I'm happy to have it. I can't say I'm excited to have it, but I'm happy to have it. Next up in the box is NYX Professional Makeup. It's a lucky dip. So it says it's a lucky dip from NYX Professional. It could be a product for your lips, maybe the popular lip lingerie liquid lipstick, which I think is, no, this is a matte, so I don't know. Or for your face. We love the Away We Glow highlighter. Simply open up your Glossybox to find out. Now the pictures have got proper full size, can you see, products. But it does say full size and deluxe size. That's not full size, but that must be what they're calling the deluxe size, which is a sample size. It's Rouge à Lèvres. Oh my goodness me, look at the colour on that. I mean, I like a bit of red, but that is very red. That is red and, I mean, yeah, wrong time of the year really for that, I would say, wouldn't you? To be wearing bright red. I don't feel like bright red, orangey red lipstick at the moment. But it's okay. It's matte. It's a matte lipstick. Okay. So that was it. Glossybox for me has become very, very hit and miss. Of the things, because you know me, I'm going to be honest with you, of the things, you know, it's a yawn fest, guys. That I just, the NYX lipstick, I don't get that at all. The nourishing mascara may be good. The nail polish with the brand new brush that I can't figure out why it's brand new, but it's a nice enough colour for going into spring. This is the only one that I'm really sort of curious to try, which is the Figs and Rouge, purely because I've never heard of them before. It's a silicone-free primer. I am always looking for a primer. Actually, it says something on here. It says liquid blotting finishing complex. Absorbs excess oil for a sheer matte correction. Now that normally means you can touch a bit of this on when you've got your makeup already on, partway through the day and you're looking a bit greasy. You can tap a bit more of this on and it'll absorb it. So that's, yeah, I'm quite excited to try that. But that's the only thing in the box that I'm really excited about, I have to be honest. Yeah. So that was Glossybox. April sneak peek. So this was March's box, obviously. April sneak peek is Sophia and Maybell. The fresh morning air, the birds singing amongst the blossom. You'll find that very feeling inside our April woke up in spring Glossybox. Inside this box, you'll also discover a gorgeous eyeshadow palette from the new brand Sophia and Maybell. So an eyeshadow palette, that's exciting. Yeah, so that was Glossybox. So I'm just going to whip out the tea bag purely because I have stopped it after having that really, really nice one really, really nice t-shirt that came with my Mint Mongoose, and I've had a few now that I really like. I'm sort of getting a little bit overrun with t-shirts, and they were becoming a little bit samey for me as well. I'll probably go back to it at some point, but for now, this will be my last one. And it just so happens that they've redesigned their packaging. Instead of it coming in a cardboard box, it's in a placky bag called the tea bag. So let's see. Okay, it's grey, pale grey. Okay, so it looks like that, and it says, it took me a while to figure it out, it says, the best view comes after the hardest climb, which is very nice. It's an okay t-shirt, it's okay. The quality is there. I mean, they're always, what is that make again? Gildan, which is a lovely quality t-shirt. They do wash and wear so, so well. Would I have picked that up in a shop? No, I wouldn't have. So, as I say, I'm taking a break from t-shirts. So you won't be seeing Tea Club for a while. Because now that Mint Mongoose does a t-shirt, I'm getting a t-shirt a month anyway from them. So I don't need 2 t-shirts a month. So, yeah, I mean, it's nice. It's a nice one to finish on, I think. Yeah, I'm happy with that. So, and I'm happy to stop it for a while too. I mean, that's £10 a month, I think, that I'll be saving. So there we go. That was Glossybox. That was Monthly Tea Club. That was me looking just so shocking. But tomorrow I'll be filming a video. You won't see it tomorrow, but, well, it might be tomorrow by the time I've put this up. I don't know. But I will be filming the finished, hopefully, please God, room that I've been doing upstairs. And I'm really pleased with it. I haven't put all the things back in yet, but just the paper and the paint. Thrilled. Okay, that's me. I'm off. I'll see you again soon, guys. Bye.